Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use this traceable multimeter to check the voltage of the circuit. First, you take these red and black test lead wires out of this protective case. Turn the function dial from off position to DCV position. DCV means direct current voltage. Plug the red test lead into the positive jacket. And the black test lead into the negative jacket. Then you touch the leads to the desired circle and read the display. If you see a negative reading, it means you connect the wrong wires. This does not hurt the multimeter. You just switch the wires and get the positive readings. This is a hold button. If you press that, it will freeze the reading. After done, you turn the dial to the off position. And fold the wire and poke it back into the case. Secure it in place.